Hello, welcome to the channel, the Minted module, and also a warm welcome to the world of personal finance. Today we're going to embark on a journey that will empower you to take control of your financial future. This is Personal Finance 101. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, with the right guidance, attitude and mindset, managing your money will be both rewarding and enjoyable. Think of personal finance as being in charge of your money instead of letting it control you. It's about making informed decisions that align with your goals and values. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your dreams without financial stress holding you back. We'll explore the basics together, step by step. From understanding your income and expenses to setting achievable financial goals, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt. Each topic will be broken down into simple, actionable steps. No complicated jargon, I promise. We'll use clear and straightforward language to ensure you grasp every concept. Just simple, easy to understand advice to help you make smarter financial decisions. You'll learn how to create a budget that works for you, save effectively, and invest wisely. Remember, it's never too early or too late to take control of your finances. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or planning for retirement, these principles apply to everyone. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial habits, this guide is for you. We'll provide tips and strategies tailored to your unique situation. Let's get started on your journey to financial well-being. Ready to take charge? Let's dive in and transform your financial future together. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It's a tool that helps you manage your finances effectively. It helps you track where your money is going so you can make informed decisions about spending and saving. By understanding your spending habits, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments. Think of it like a roadmap for your finances. Just as a roadmap guides you to your destination, a budget guides you to your financial goals. Creating a budget is easy. It might seem daunting at first, but once you get started, it becomes a straightforward process. Start by listing your income, your salary, wages, or any other money you receive regularly. This gives you a clear picture of how much money you have coming in each month. Then list all your expenses, rent or mortgage payments, bills, groceries, transportation, entertainment, etc. Be thorough and include even the small expenses, as they can add up over time. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start allocating your money wisely. This means prioritizing essential expenses and finding ways to cut back on non-essential ones. The goal is to ensure you're spending less than you earn and saving for your goals. This might include building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or planning for retirement. There are many budgeting apps and tools available to help you stay organized. These tools can simplify the process and make it easier to track your spending and savings. Remember, a budget is a living document. It's not set in stone and should be flexible to accommodate changes in your financial situation. It needs to be adjusted and updated regularly to reflect your changing needs and goals. Regularly reviewing and updating your budget ensures that it remains relevant and effective in helping you achieve your financial objectives. Saving is simply setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It doesn't matter how small the amount is, every little bit counts. Saving helps you achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, going on a dream vacation, or simply having a financial safety net. Start by setting realistic saving goals. It could be a small amount each week or month. The key is to make saving a habit. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Remember, saving is not about depriving yourself, it's about planning for the future and achieving your financial dreams. Investing is all about putting your money to work for you. It's about growing your wealth over time. It can seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you think. There are various investment options available, each with its own risks and potential rewards. Some popular options include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's important to research and understand each option before investing. Remember, investing involves risk. It's crucial to start small, diversify your investments, and seek advice from a financial advisor if needed. Section 5, Taming the Debt Monster. Strategies for financial freedom. Debt can feel overwhelming, but it's essential to tackle it head-on. Start by creating a list of all your debts, including the balances and interest rates. Then prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. Consider debt consolidation options like balance transfer credit cards or personal loans. These can help simplify your payments and potentially save you money on interest. Remember, the key to managing debt is to create a realistic repayment plan and stick to it. Seek help from a credit counseling agency if needed. They can provide guidance and support in navigating your debt repayment journey. Section 6. Little steps, big rewards, practical tips for saving money. Saving money doesn't have to mean drastic lifestyle changes. Start by identifying areas where you can cut back on spending. Could you eat out less or reduce your entertainment expenses? Look for deals and discounts on everyday purchases. Consider using coupons, shopping during sales, or buying in bulk for items you use frequently. Remember, small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference in the long run. Every penny saved is a step towards your financial goals. Section 7. Choosing the right investments, finding your financial fit. Choosing the right investments depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. If you're saving for a long-term goal like retirement, you might consider investing in stocks or mutual funds. If you're risk-averse, you might prefer investing in bonds or other fixed-income securities. It's essential to diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. Remember, investing is a personal journey. What works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to do your research, seek advice from a financial advisor, and invest in a way that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Section 8. Emergency fund, your financial safety net. In today's unpredictable world, having a financial safety net is more important than ever. An emergency fund is a stash of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, sudden home repairs, or any other unforeseen costs that life may throw your way. Car repairs, medical emergencies, or job loss can happen to anyone at any time, and having an emergency fund can make these situations less stressful. It acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind knowing you can handle life's curveballs without going into debt. This sense of security can help you focus on recovery and finding solutions rather than worrying about finances. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This amount can vary depending on your personal circumstances, such as your job stability and monthly expenses. Start by saving a small amount each month and gradually increase your contributions over time. Even small, consistent savings can grow into a substantial fund over the years. Remember, an emergency fund is not an investment. It's not meant to grow your wealth, but to protect it. It's there to provide a financial cushion during unexpected events, allowing you to stay afloat without derailing your financial progress. By having this safety net, you can navigate life's uncertainties with greater confidence and stability. Section 9. The power of compound interest. Growing your wealth over time. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. It's the interest earned on your initial investment plus any accumulated interest. In simple terms, it's earning interest on interest, which can significantly accelerate your wealth-building journey. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small contributions over time can grow exponentially thanks to the power of compound interest. Remember, compound interest is your best friend when it comes to long-term financial growth. The key is to start early, invest consistently, and let time work its magic. Section 10. Seeking expert advice. Navigating the world of personal finance. Navigating the world of personal finance can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your specific financial situation. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized financial plan, choose the right investments, and navigate complex financial decisions. Remember, seeking professional advice is not a sign of weakness, but a smart move towards achieving your financial goals. Section 11. Your journey to financial wellness. Taking control and planning for the future. Congratulations on taking the first step towards financial wellness. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. It's about making informed decisions, developing healthy financial habits, and planning for the future. Start by implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this guide. Create a budget, start saving, explore investment options, and seek expert advice when needed. The most important thing is to take action and stay committed to your financial goals. Remember, every step you take towards financial wellness is a step towards a brighter future. Start today and enjoy the journey. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Your journey to financial wellness starts now.